Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Rizky, NIM 2024322057 from class D. I will be presenting my practical report for module 6, Dasar Pemrograman. This report was completed at the Software Engineering Laboratory of the PLN Institute of Technology. I will cover 5 main sections, ranging from searching algorithm to the core concepts of object-oriented programming or OOP. Let's get started. Number 1, Library Book ID Search Program. Program implementation C++. In the first session implemented a book ID search system. I create a function called cari buku that takes that parameters and integer array of ID, the size of the array, and the target ID we want to find. Inside this function, I use two linear search algorithm. It uses a for loop to check every element in the array one by one. In the main function, it initializes an array daftar ID with the value 450, 102, 305, 749, and 210. Looking at the execution result when the user input ID 789, the system community ID the input ID, the system correctly identifies that the ID was one at index 3. However, if we search for an ID that is not in the list, like 6,000, the program output a message stating that ID was not found. B. Explanation of the program. Definition of cari buku function. This function is designed to be flexible, so I can be resolved with different datasets. Implementation of linear search. I work by sequentially checking each element. If the target matches an element, the function return its position. Since in the book ID are not short, linear search in the most appropriate choice. User interaction. The program provides a clear interface for input and display whether the search was successful or not. 2. Searching theory question. Comparison of binary search and linear search. Binary search is much more efficient for large stored data set because it half the search are the edge step. Inner search, on the other hand, might have to check every single item. B. Using binary search on unsorted data. If binary search is used on unsorted data, the result will be incorrect. This is because the algorithm relies on the data order to decide which direction to search next. See, example of searching algorithm application. A common real-world application is the contact search feature on a smartphone, which allows user to find names quickly. 3. Saving balance management program. Program implementation. The third section focus on tabungan. Class the demonstrators and calculation. Define the saldo balance attribute as private. To manage this data, I create several public methods. Set saldo for internal balance, simpan uang for deposit, and ambil uang for withdrawals. The ambil uang method includes a crucial validation step it uses an if statement to check if the current balance is greater than or equal to the requested amount. In the output, we see an initial balance of 500. After depositing 200 and withdrawing 100, the final balance in 600. Explanation of program concepts equation. By make the balance private, we protect the data from unauthorized or accidental change for outside the class to public method. Change are made through control official channels. 3. Without validation, this ensures the system prevent user from withdrawing more money than they actually have. Employee and cashier data management. A program implementation. Next, implement a program demonstrating inheritance. Create a base class karyawan. Employee with protected attributes for nama, name, and ID karyawan. Then I create a different class cashier that inherits from karyawan. The cashier class has its own private attribute, no machine cashier merchant number. The output display data for a cashier named Budi Santoso with ID KRY 001, operating matching number 5. Explanation of program code. Concept of inheritance. This allows the cashier class to automatically reserve the general attribute of the karyawan class 2. Used to access this keep the data private from the outside world, but still accessible to the class specialization. The drive class can have a specific feature like the matching number that a general employee doesn't have. First, Anima sound simulation program implementation. The final session is a simulation of Anima sound to demonstrate play from BIM. I defined a base class hewan animal with a virtual function named bersuara. To derive a class kucing and anjing, cat and dog, override this function to provide the specific sound. The main function is I use hewan pointer to call the object. The equation result show kucing berkata meong and anjing berkata gogok. Explanation of program logic. Virtual function. This ensure that the program decide which function to run on runtime based on the actual object being used. Method of setting different subclass can give the different implementation to the same function name. Use of base class pointer. The allows used to use a single pointer type to manage many different type of animal object flexibility. To conclude my presentation of article report 6, we have covered assessing algorithm, incorporation, inheritance, and polymorphisms in C++. Thank you for your attention. I'm Ivan Gasmi, and I'll see you in the next practical. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.